Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to change the flight date on Qatar Airways, reschedule or modify your booking. For this guys, first of all, accessing your booking, visit the official Qatar Airways website in your browser and click the option of manage booking on my trip tab. Enter your unique 6-character booking references and type in the last name of the passenger of the booking. Click the option of retrieve booking and finding the booking to proceed. After that, initiate your flight changes. Once your booking is retrieved, look for the option to modify your flight and locate your modify flight or change flight option and select the specified flight segment which you alter. Okay, choose the change date and change flight. Okay, carefully review the term and condition for changes and note any eligibility requirement for your ticket type. After that, select new dates and confirmation. Now it's time to pick your new travel date and finalize the modification. So use the calendar, browse the available date and select your preferred flight. After that, proceed to payment if additional charges applicable. Confirm the changes, receive your updated e-ticket via mail. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.